Right, good afternoon guys. Welcome to Res Racing yet again. New addition to the fleet. The best car of the lot. Here we have, if I can open this up, the Volkswagen Beetle. And guess what? It's an 1800 turbo. Cool. Now, if we like to look around, what can I say? Well, it's actually come in. We're going to give it a wee bit of a service. So we're going to do the oil. Oil filter on these is actually very good. It's just under there, so it's really easy to do. Also, while it's in the garage, we're actually going to give it a big clean up. Come down the side here, 4 new wheels, which we're going to get repowder coated black. Cool. And we've still got, if you look inside, come through here, we have the little flower, which comes with all Volkswagen Beetles apparently. Cool. So as I say, it's an old car. We didn't pay a lot of money for it. Needs a little bit of work, but I'm sure we're going to spruce it up and it's going to be really good. I actually quite like it. I mean, we have bigger cars in the fleet, bigger engines. This is a smart little car. I like it. Right. The position of the oil filter is really easy. It's in the front of the engine, so get an oil strap on it and away we go. Yep, and that's it. It's turning nicely. Yep, that's loose. How easy is that? It's going to be really easy to install the new one. Bonus. Some vehicles very bad. Right, that's that loose. Right, next thing we have the sump plug, which is a
19mm.
19mm. Oops, that's it. I don't want to drop it either. Got that cloth, there's a cloth there somewhere. Fuck. Come on.
New filter going on. Next is the plugs.
Yeah, check these. These are actually a bit bigger than what we needed as the car has been rematched. So consequently what we're doing, we're actually making them a wee tad smaller. And we're setting them at 28, which that's perfect now. Absolutely spot on, as you can see. There's no play, just a nice flow through. Here we go, plug coming out. We'll have a look at that, see how the engine itself running, see if we've got any really lots of black deposits. Hopefully not. Actually not look too bad.
That's posted.
Right then, that's all the spark plugs back in. Coil packs. Happy days. Let's fire her up. So anyway, thanks for listening to Mez Racing, and we'll catch you again.